Welcome to Nature Cures Clinic. I'm Brenna. Let me show you around. Let's start with the restrooms. Keys are always right here on the desk. The ladies' room is the first door right out the hallway that you just came up on the right. The men's room is in the same location but on the opposite side of the building. Let's start by going down the hall. We have 2 treatment rooms down this way. Here's our first acupuncture room right here. Over here we have our second acupuncture room where we do treatment as well as office visits. Our next room is our new patient room. This is where we see our in-house consultations as well as we see patients for their new patient visit for the first time. This is our lobby area. As you can see, we have a full line of supplements. We also have an online formulary where you can get supplements that the doctor will suggest for your treatment. In this room, we have our Chinese medicine, Medicinary, if that's part of your treatment plan as well. We have a treatment room here where we do spinal manipulation as well as acupuncture. Here we have another acupuncture room. The next 2 rooms, we have 2 hyperbaric chambers. This is our hyperbaric oxygen therapy. We have one here and one here. The last room in our clinic is our IV suite. We offer a full menu of IV therapies. If that's part of your treatment, you'll spend some time in here. Thank you for coming and for checking out our clinic. We look forward to meeting you.